Akiaria ari mwena wa gicua-ini thutha wa giikaro kiria gikurehete hamwe maabitha nene ya githomo na county commissioner a mwena wa gicua-ini, mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya githomo Belio Kipsang ni aheanite mwihoko wa wihariria wa thirikari mihang'o-ini ya igeranio cia kibururi cia KCPE na KCSE iritanyitwo kwambiriria mweri ukite. Kipsang augete ministry ya githomo ni igakorwo ikinyitanira na honge itiganite gutigirira mihang'o ya igeranio ici na ugitiri wacio ni atwarithio na mbere na njira igwete na gukinyira arutwo mathukuru-ini hatari na mihinga iria ngirehwo ni mbura iria itanyitwo kura ya El Nino.
The way that we are going to deal with examination as everything that we have been doing in the last 9 months. If we have prepared our students well, then we don't expect any challenge, and we don't have any reason to do anything that should not be done.
Na kuona uyu niguo mwaka wa muthia wa kigeranio gia KCPE mutaratara-ini wa 844, Kipsang ni oritie arutani anene na arugamiriri a igeranio wa gukinyaniria mihang'o ino gukwa kirutira mukana aria othe mangikorwo na itanya o riothe ria uici wa igeranio gutashukirio ikinya ihio ria kiwatho.
When they are involved in criminal activities, they will be treated as criminals, and that it has a consequence, because that goes into your record, and we should do it in a dignified way so that our children can be able to appreciate all that which has been done for the last many years that we've been doing KCPE.
Gugukorwo na mogaruruku mutaratara-ini wa kugereka arutwo kigeranio-ini gia KCSE niguo kumahe mweke wa kuhota gwithurira kothi iria marenda gwika thiini wa university na college-ini.
We would want to separate placement and testing to appreciate what our children have learned, trying to look at their competencies, at their skills and knowledge, and translating that into certification.
Wona mutaratara uyu wagathikwo ugukorwo kirongoreria uhoti wa arutwo wa kwikira maundu makonie githomo ugi na taranda gukwa kiuga ministry no igukorwo ikioya subject iria murutwo ekite wega niguo kuhota kumuhe grade.
We used to say you must be graded on mathematics, Kiswahili, English, biology, sometimes chemistry. So you find this kid is graded on so many learning areas which are aligned to placement. But we want to say separate placement from grading so that across the world you test a kid on 2 critical areas, on numeracy and literacy.
Mogaruruku maya megukinyanirio kuringana na ripoti ya kamiti ya mwanya iria yaheanirwo kuri president hari kurehe mogaruruku mutaratara-ini wa githomo niguo kugacirithia mathomo na kuhotithia arutwo matikoragire marikia mathomo mao. Handu-ini ha KCPE TV njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.